Oh, no. Optimized and the symbol.
Little bike check, a little fill check.
Yo, can I do like the rapper thing, like when they're in the booth and like have my parts list right here the whole time?
Oh yeah, just spit hot fire from your phone.
Yo, yeah.
I think that's better.
No, I'll remember. Plus you can cut it too, right?
Oh, I can cut everything. Because I can cut to the parts. Shabam! Would you ride this bike? No.
Oh, I don't ride for that.
Duh.
He doesn't ride good bikes.
No?
He only rides fit bikes.
Wow, shots fired.
I ride the best.
I ride the best ones. Fuck you. No.
Fight him!
Okay, I need you to help me with the intro.
Hi, I'm Phil. What's happening, bro? Shot cheese!
No, I'm not doing that. Tell me when you're going.
I'm going.
I'm trying to center myself. I'm trying to unprolapse my anus.
We call that de-quench.
Yeah, it's the opposite of pushing it.
Look at the little bigos.
The opposite of pushing a hemorrhoid back in. Do you like doing this? I hate it.
It's not that hard. You work at a bike shop. You're supposed to know all this shit, Phil.
No, I know that. It's like I can't even remember the names of most of my friends. It's like I'm supposed to know the name of all these parts. Okay. Hey guys, Phil here at Phillbrahh. He'll be right here. Follow me. I need more followers. I've been stagnant at 27,000 for like a week. This is my bike check. I know you guys just saw one of me recently, but Alfredo is telling me that I'm going to be fired unless I do another one. So here I am. I need the job. I have kids to support. So yeah, this is a breakdown of my bike. If you need any of it, DM me. I will gladly talk to you about what I have, even though you're going to see in the video 9 times out of 10, kids are still going to hit me up and be like, hey, I saw your bike check. That 21-inch SOS frame, yo, what frame is that? What size is it? Oh shit, you answered your own question in your question, you little shithead. Okay, start off with the frame. It's a 21-inch Colt SOS. It's in a beautiful raw color. 75.5 head tube, 13-inch rear end. Makes it really good for bouncy chains, which is cool. I have the Shadow Inceptive fork. Very cool, has stickers on the back. Sticker placement gang. I've had the fork for a while. It's pretty good. It's really light. It's actually the second lightest fork on the market, which is good to know because it's really light and my dumb big ass hasn't broken it. So, little tidbit for you. These are Colt AK bars. Oh no, they're crew bars, 9.5. Really strong. I like them. Uncut. I don't do bar spins. They're good. Shout out Mark Burnett. I have the Odin stem. Pretty cool. It's like a cast and then machine stem. Pretty tight. Yep, take my bike. It's all good. These are actually a prototype Shadow brake lever. It's pretty cool. I can't show you the emblem because it's proto. But yeah, it's Shadow for sure. It's not another brand. But Shadow cable too. It's prototype. Can't see the logo because it's prototype. I have the Symbol front wheel with integrated guards. It's like female, pretty sick, pretty strong, pretty low battery. It's fire. Oh, ONSOMESHIT'S pegs, 4.75. Come in and buy some, you little shits. They're stupid long, stupid smooth. They're gonna make you wicked good at grinding. If you have these, you get a discount at Dunkin' Donuts. It's fire. Oh, and then the gray Stevie tire in the front. It's 2.45. It's a big guy. Primo! Ronnie's not gonna be stoked about that one. Oh, the seat. I have Joris's crazy, like Shadow, intricate, sacred, Geo, Buddhist seat. It's really comfortable. Actually, was a diehard tripod guy, but Ronnie Bonner yelled at me. So did Eric to switch my seat. So now I have this one, and it's actually comfortable. I'm back on Pivotal Gang, which is tight. Colt seat post. Can't go wrong with that bad boy. Oh, cranks. 165 killer cranks. Shout out Trey Jones for quitting Colt.
Those are Shadows, so he's fine.
Oh yeah, true. But I have a Colt gang, whatever. What is it? 2010 till the end. Oh yeah, killer cranks 165. I've never broken them. I've never bent them. Never cracked them. I've never even chipped the paint on them. They're the strongest cranks you can get.
You don't do crank arms, so.
I don't do crank arms, but I mean, okay, I don't have an answer, but why the fuck would you call me out like that? Shadow surface pedals, these are new. You can come get these at On Some Shit, your favorite local bike shop. They're tight, they're like 20 bucks, come buy them. I'll give you a discount if you use the coupon code.
Phillbrahh.
Phillbrahh, yes, but you have to spell it right and get it right the first time. Shadow Sabotage Sprocket. It's the same one from my last bike check, but this one's new. Plastic guard, aluminum sprocket, very cool. If you're looking to save money on bike parts, definitely get this bad boy. What else? Oh, chain. Shadow Supreme chain. It's like the third one I've had. Yeah, thanks for interrupting. Jesus. It's like the third one I've had. It doesn't break. You can do sprocket installs on it. You could use it as a replacement on your lawnmower. You can put it on your motorcycle. It pretty much works. Oh, and garage doors. If you need a garage door chain, get the Shadow Supreme. It's fire. Tell your mom, tell your dad. And then the back, I have the optimized free coaster shadow wheel, which is pretty dank. I just got a new wheel set. The other one lasted me almost a year. They're still going too. I gave them to a kid in need. Oh, and I have the metal hub guard because your boy can't do plastic hub guards. I break them too often. Whatever. Also another Stevie tire, also in gray. Also in the comments below, how do you spell gray? Because I heard it's G-R-A-Y if you're in America, A for America, and it's G-R-E-Y if you're in England, E for England. So comment below, whoever's right, DM me, I'll give you my phone number, we can FaceTime.
How do you spell gay?
P-H-I-L.
G-H-E-Y.
Is it G-H-E-Y? Like really?
For gay?
Yeah.
Mind blown.
How do you spell Ouija?
O-U-J-I.
O-U-I-J-A. Ouija.
A Ouija. Damn it.
Oh, and then I have some stock bike brakes currently because I lost the springs of my other ones. Clear brake pads. They're really freaking loud. They're tight. If you don't have brakes, go buy brakes. Stop stopping with your shoe. One set of brakes is cheaper than a pair of Vans or Etnies or Nikes. What are you thinking? Get with it. Alfredo runs a brake. Turn the camera around. He runs a brake. They run a brake. We all run brakes. It's the way to go.
Adam used to ride brakes.
You can do sick ass tire tap tricks, tire tap to fakie, a boo because. That's pretty much all I can do with the brake, but you can do probably more because you're better than me. We got a little sleeping tone, doesn't even use a cat tree that we built for him by hand. He sleeps in the corner.
I hand carpeted that thing.
He's dusty. He's old. He's been biting people a lot more lately. He's been throwing up, but I mean, he's in good health. I think that's essentially my entire bike check. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah, cold headset. This little guy, maintain every day. Come pick that up. $29.99. ONSOMESHIT.com. That's my entire bike check. I appreciate you watching me mumble for I don't know how long this video has been going on.
That's your sponsors.
Yo, yeah, duh. Shout out Robert Cole. Shout out Ron and Eric at Shadow Conspiracy. Shout out Jason at Official. Zoom in on him. And then shout out Alfredo and Awesome Shit. I would have the junkiest, shittiest bike if I didn't get stuff for free, so thank you.
Yeah, right, you're the barter king.
No, see, if I didn't have good stuff to start off with to barter, I would just be bartering for other junk, so I would still have a shitty bike
Good
at
point.
the end of the day. I would just be trading rust for other rust, but since I have all these handsome, strapping gentlemen giving me free bike parts, my life is a lot better. I don't break chains, I don't break pedals. I get swaggy hats, sweatshirts. I'm wearing the Awesome Shit new brief underwear coming soon with the banana hammock. They're fire. $69.99. ONSOMESHIT.com/shop. That's my whole bike check. Again, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe to Alfredo's channel because he's a cool guy. He has a fucking Tesla. It goes like 1,000 miles per hour. No gas. And it fucking lowers itself. Let's do a Tesla check. Let's see what else does Alfredo's Tesla have. Okay, that's my whole bike check. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Holy shit. Follow me on Instagram.
You're a babe.
Follow me on Instagram. PHILBRAHH. Thank you.
Love you. Run! Run!
That was.
It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it.